And your forecast is going to stay on the quiet side for the next few days. Our St. Joseph Hospital Live weather bug camera. No worries about snow on the ground like we had 2 mornings ago, or the potential for some mixed wintry precipitation like we had yesterday morning. That was mainly northeastern Kentucky problem. There's the traffic on the move, and as we zoom in, there's snow flying across the Great Lakes. This is Ashtabula, Erie, PA, Cleveland, running up through Buffalo. This moisture is wrapping around through Ohio, and you've had occasional spotty snow showers making it all the way into southwestern Ohio. It's conceivable there may be just enough moisture to throw some flurries our way with some of the low cloud cover, but this is the departing low, so it's the moisture coming around the back end of that, and of course with that northwest fetch across the still relatively warm lake water, they're getting that lake effect snow cranking out up there. For us, we've got clouds that will slowly break through the day, so if there are any flurries, it would likely be this morning. And then into the afternoon, we're in pretty good shape. Now, we'll warm up tomorrow out ahead of a cold front, so this front is going to set us up for what will eventually be a colder weekend. So some ups and downs temperature-wise as we get these boundaries tracking through. But the good news, even as that front goes through, it should essentially be moisture-free. There'll be some showers down across Tennessee, but I don't know that they'll punch all the way up into Kentucky. We'll likely just see some extra clouds around. 32 degrees now. The big story, of course, for us, and there really isn't a big one, it's just the most notable aspect of your forecast, is the temperature fluctuation. We're in the 30s, below average today. And then as you get into tomorrow, we're going to see that warm bubble. It's that southwesterly wind that's cranking in the above average warmth for your Thursday. And then as we pop it over to Friday, here comes the cold front, some colder air sweeping in behind it. Near or below average temperatures actually going below into the week, and you'll see temperatures dropping back down in the 30s. So definitely crests and then dips, troughs in those highs and lows as you go over the next few days. We may take a crack at 50 tomorrow and again Monday. But this is the time of the year as we get into late January that we start to see where we've bottomed out with our average temperature for this time of the year. Signs of life. As you get into early February, notice that our average high has ticked up a degree from 41 where we bottom out to 42. And then you start to see that rapid rise as we shake winter's cold as you get into late February. So we're just about getting ready to start thinking about turning the corner. But it's still January. We're still doing this. Forecast highs today in the mid to upper 30s. 36 out around Shelbyville. Lexington, we're shooting for upper 30s, as is Lancaster down towards Danville. Eastern counties, much the same. You may hit 40 in Stanton. West Liberty out in Morgan County, upper 30s, and into our southeastern Kentucky counties. You get down to, say, Pikeville. You've got a chance to say mired in the upper 30s in the mountains as well. A little milder, 44 for the forecast high out towards Barberville. In the Lakes region, likely low to mid 40s today. So not too shabby when you break the clouds and get a little sunshine going later on. Milder tomorrow, but probably windier. And then the cold front will knock us back in the 30s this weekend. Our next round of active weather that's going to be significant will be that rain to mixed precipitation chance early next week.